A smooth sea never made a skillful sailor. In life, we all encounter different challenges. But live your life into its fullest fruitfulness, because only you can make your life extraordinary. We only live once, so live as what you want and achieve your goals and dreams in life. My name is Mark Emmanuel Umapas, and I love to explore and sail my own boat.
The Sailor Man. Pertaining to ship maneuvering using engine telegraph, and how does it works?
Hard port. Rather, hard port now, sir. Starboard 10. Rather, starboard 10 now, sir. Midship. Rather, midship now, sir. Course 155, sir. 160. 160, sir.
Performing engine telegraph command.
Full ahead.
Full ahead. Engine telegraph, full ahead now, sir.
Slow ahead.
Slow ahead. Engine telegraph, slow ahead now, sir.
Dead slow ahead.
Dead slow ahead. Engine telegraph, dead slow ahead now, sir.
Standby.
Standby. Engine telegraph, standby, sir.
Full astern.
Full astern. Engine telegraph, full astern now, sir.
Dead slow stern.
Dead slow astern. Engine telegraph, dead slow astern now, sir.
Half astern.
Half astern. Engine telegraph, half astern now, sir.
Slow astern.
Slow astern. Engine telegraph, slow astern now, sir.
Another one.
Navigation equipment.
We've got DGPS for positioning, Lorentz, which no one uses anymore, AIS, automatic identification system for ship, ECDIS, short for electronic chart display.
Hence, I give you the fountain of youth.
Drop in the money pop shop for a living and baby gon' smell blood tread every minute road wave when the people no feel when I hit it every time I see a peer at the head to the kid and nobody give a fuck about the rules. Eat it, get a plum, number two, I'm a cool, but making this no boo when I'm spending they scared. I didn't fuck again, so really anyone nothing but my name, man. I don't give a fuck about a motherfucking hoe. I'm a Buddha, we the sticking, hate your motherfucking dough.
Boys and girls, you're doing alright. We wanna freak out, have a good time. Ladies, come on, raise your hands. Show me where are all my fans. LA chicks, yes, they get down.
LA chicks, yes, they get down.
Sube, sube, sube el volumen. Sube, 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 sube.
I came up in it to rock.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for.